Okay, and then I'm gonna put some salt in it. So what the salt's going to do is it's going to help break up the proteins that are holding some of the DNA together. So basically it's just gonna help release the DNA easier. Okay, so now even though this looks mashed up, all of the cells that are in there are still whole cells. To break these up now, you can't do it physically, you need to do it chemically. And then you pour some of the soap in with the smashed strawberries and just mix it around for a while. Okay, now I just need to filter out the strawberries. Okay, and then you just pour your alcohol down the side of it. And you can see that stringy stuff forming in there. That's the DNA. Here it is. Strawberry DNA. So I used about the same mass of kiwi. It wasn't exactly the same. Let's pour in our alcohol. Okay, so this is my only distinct strand that I can get. Probably there wasn't enough to coagulate together to form a big chunk. Okay, let's see if we can get any DNA out of our shrimp now. Wow, look at that. So DNA is the instructions for the cells in your body. The DNA is how cells know what proteins to form and what to do with them. So DNA has a lot of information on that, and that's the reason that DNA chains are so long. In each cell in your body, you have around 3 meters of coiled up DNA. This is a ton. This is way more than the strawberry. I'm really surprised at this. Holy cow. Okay, and after thinking about this some more, the reason I got so much DNA from the shrimp, I should have known this from the start, but the shrimp has a lot of protein in it. And so the proteins also coagulate with the isopropyl alcohol. So really what I have here is a mixture of DNA and protein, but I'll still take it. So the DNA here doesn't look very long, and that's because the isopropyl alcohol made all the DNA kind of coil together and clump up into big, large groups. And so you don't have these long strands of DNA anymore. But DNA is actually extremely long. So you basically have these tiny little strings around 3 meters long in every single one of your cells. And that's why when you feel this, it feels kind of rope-like and stretchy. Okay, strawberry DNA. So no real taste to it. I could only taste a little bit of the rubbing alcohol, but other than that, no taste to it. The texture of it was just slimy. Okay, now this is the kiwi DNA. So this is only a tiny little amount, so I guarantee you can't see it. I can see it though, so you just have to trust me it's on there. That one actually tasted good, kind of a concentrated kiwi taste. Okay, now my shrimp DNA. This is actually shrimp DNA mixed with protein, but actually not bad. That's actually pretty good. The texture of it was just kind of gummy, but it had a shrimp flavor to it. So that was pretty good. So is it dangerous to eat pure DNA? No, it's not. I'm actually worse off eating the isopropyl alcohol and the soap that was in it. And you eat DNA all the time whenever you eat anything. It's just not concentrated like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.